Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch to the new editor in Wix. If you've been using Wix for a while, you might have noticed they've updated their editor with fresh features and a more intuitive interface. This tutorial will walk you through accessing it step by step. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your sites. Now, look toward the top left part of your menu where you'll see a drop-down labeled Website or Projects. Go ahead and click on it. This drop-down is where you can quickly navigate between all the different sites and projects you've created on Wix. Once you click on the drop-down, a list of all your websites and projects will appear. Scroll through if you need to, but what you're looking for is an option that says Go to All Sites. Click on that option. This will take you to a centralized page where you can view and manage every site you've built under your account. You'll now be directed to your website management page. This is where you can see all your sites in one place and make changes or start new projects. From here, locate the Create New Site button on the top right part of your screen. It's usually pretty visible and stands out with a call to action design. Click on it to begin the process of creating a new site with the updated editor. After clicking, you'll be presented with several ways to create your website. Wix offers a few different paths depending on your preference. You might see options like starting from a blank canvas, choosing from a template, or even building a site structure with AI assistance. These are all great options, but for our purpose today, we're focused on the new editor. Look further down the page and you'll notice a link that says Build with the Wix editor. This is the link that allows you to create your website with the new editor. It's the gateway to accessing all the updated features and improvements Wix has rolled out. Simply click on it and you'll be taken directly into the new editor interface. From here, you can start building your website with this new editor, exploring its enhanced design tools, improved layouts, and smoother workflow. The new editor is designed to give you more control and flexibility, making the entire website building process faster and more enjoyable. And that's it, you've successfully switched to the new editor in Wix and you're ready to start creating. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.